Okay. Today we got the DELL gaming computer. So we're going to open it up. Just came by FedEx.
It's not the computer, I think.
You don't think so?
Stop this idea.
We are outside.
It was assembled in Mexico, made in China,
Yeah.
and came from Texas. Went to Tennessee,
This word so long, huh?
and then it got out here.
Oh, what?
So long. I'm excited, IJ.
This
Yeah.
is the keyboard.
Oh, that's the keyboard. So cute. It's so small. Look at that.
Keyboard. That's a symbol.
Look at that.
What's
Wow.
This has got some
What's that? Oh,
power cord.
power cord.
And
And there he is, this stuff.
Okay.
Wow.
It's like a toaster.
Toaster.
I thought it to be bigger.
not a
It's a
giant
compact. That's a compact
toaster.
list.
It's a toaster. Look at that giant toaster.
Okay, go.
Pull it out.
There you go.
Okay, pull the box over.
Okay. There is DELL. There is the this stuff.
That's like a super gaming. A super.
Yay! But the monitor is not yet come. There it is, guys.
That's a super.
Ta-da! Look at that.
It's a rainbow.
Rainbow.
There's the G5. That's it.
Yeah.
Is there glass on it?
G5.
It
Yeah,
stands
like
like
that.
this.
Yeah, like that. Honey. There
There's
it is.
glass on it?
G5.
It's an i7.
DELL.
Inputs.
So nice.
Doesn't have a CD drive.
Yeah.
Honey.
Look like.
No.
Me, I have a Core 1510 Gen, but
Yeah.
I have the Core
You have an i5.
1015
You have 10th generation now.
Gen.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a 10th
Nice.
Gen
Look
too.
at that.
Yeah, I guess they just don't do that. I never saw that as an option. They
What,
just
honey?
don't CD. You have to do external CD drives.
Oh.
DVD, CD drives, all everything's external.
And
Looks like
then,
But laptops you buy, they don't have them anymore.
yeah.
Desktops, I guess it's a special order. I don't see how they would fit one in here unless this opens up.
No, it's not.
Nothing opens up, right? I thought you said it was glass on one side.
Yo, it's not glass.
Yeah, how come you said that?
Yeah. Yeah, it's not glass, huh?
It's sealed, unless this comes off. Okay, well that's it. We'll bring it upstairs and show you the final product later. Okay, here's the G5. Come with a keyboard, a standard keyboard right here.
what was the keyboard yesterday? You're inside now.
It's always a mystery on how to open boxes. There we go.
Looks like a
Hey,
Got the num keys. Look. Like yours.
look at the key, RJ. Keyboard, look at that.
I don't have it on mine. There's the cable. For a gaming computer, it's just a standard keyboard. We may get a new gaming keyboard eventually. No, nothing's plugged in. Nothing's lighting up right now. We have no monitor. We're just showing the hardware. We got the G5 desktop computer. It's got microphone, headset, USB, and display.
Does it just say light up Gregory or does it say different colors?
We think it has.
no.
We think it has like a color somewhere.
Right here on the keyboard.
No, that will not light up. There's no light on that. It's
Yeah.
a basic keyboard. Okay, then I'll come right back. Hold
This
on.
looks like one of the 1950s
19.
keyboards.
Here's the standard mouse. Let me open that up.
Oh, it's a stand.
Power cord.
The power plug.
Doesn't have that transformer next to it, which is good.
Look, I our gaming computer,
Let's put this over here.
we,
So you can see it.
when we get our gaming computer, we need to upgrade this and that.
Eventually, not right away.
We need like a
First we get
wireless
used to the computer, then
and
we get used to
other
it.
one.
And that's it, guys. The unboxing. Only that inside the box. Only this.
Now we have the mystery. Why the monitor not come?
Yeah, the monitor not yet come. Maybe next time. We unbox again.
Okay, this is the back of the G5 5000. We've got microphone, headset, inputs. We've got, these are the what is it? HMI and USB, all in here. And different USBs. That's it. A few other ports here.
Here's the power.
Power. That's it.
And we look at inside. What's look like.
Unscrew these right here. There you go.
There it is inside.
We've got two fans. It's got the motherboard in the back. And this is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX. I know it's the 2060 model. And it's got room for expansion. It's got two slots over here. You can see. You could actually update the video card too if you want to do someday. Power supply down there. The fan's probably right over the CPU on the motherboard.
Here's the side view.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait for the next part where we have the monitor hooked up.
Yep. Have not yet come.
Okay, this is the power button right here. And then you get your little LED thing, lights up, red, yellow, green, orange, blue. I don't know what they all mean, but it settles at blue. That's
Because
it.
it's mine.
It's better off than the side window. It would be too bright, shining out. I like this better.